Hello friend, my name is Mukesh Rawat. Today news is Physics Wala in talks to buy Vikas Divyakirti's Drishti IAS for rupees 2500 crore. Physics Wala, the edtech unicorn known for its affordable coaching programs, is in advanced negotiation to acquire Drishti IAS, a major player in civil services exam preparation. If finalized, the deal, estimated at rupees 2,500 to 3,000 crore, would be one of the largest acquisitions in India tech sector in recent years. The report further said that the payment for the acquisition would be made in tranches and tied to future performance milestone, IPO plans and market expansion. The report comes as PhysicsWallah prepares for an initial public offering IPO. The Noida-based EdTech unicorn recently appointed three independent directors and is reportedly aiming to raise $500 million at a $5 billion valuation in the upcoming public listing. The acquisition would mark the Alak Pandey led startup entry into UPSC and State Commission exam preparation, a lucrative market segment dominated by established coaching centers. The move also aligns with its push into offline education, where it aims to generate rupees 1,000 crore in offline revenue by financial year 25. Drishti IS Market Presence, founded by Vikas Divyakirti, Drishti IS has built a strong presence in civil service exams coaching over 26 years. In financial year 24, the institute reported rupees 405 crore in revenue and rupees 90 crore in profit, with its flagship Mukherjee Nagar centers in Delhi accounting for 58% of total revenue, followed by locations in Prayagraj, Jaipur, and Karol Bagh. However, Deshti IAS CEO Vivek Tiwari denied the media report, calling the speculation a rumor that should not be taken seriously. For PhysicsWallah, the acquisition would not only diversify its offerings beyond JEE and NEET coaching but also enhance its offline presence, positioning the company as a dominant player across multiple exam categories. PhysicsWallah Growth and Financial Challenges. Founded by Alak Pandey, PhysicsWallah has evolved from a YouTube-based coaching platform into a full-fledged hybrid edtech unicorn, offering live and recorded lectures, test series, and offline centers. The startup has raised over $300 million to date and was last valued at $2.8 billion following a $210 million Series B round in September last year. Its revenue from operation jumped to rupees 1940 crore in financial year 24 from rupees 744 crore in financial year 23. However, its losses also surged 13-fold, reaching rupees 1131 crore in financial year 24 compared to rupees 84 crore in financial year 23, as the company ramped up its investment in technology, offline expansion, and marketing. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comments. Thank you for your time.